Hey everyone, I am back and I finally received my Kiara Sky Beyond PRO Volume 2 rechargeable LED lamp, and I am so excited. So I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing just to show you guys what comes inside the box. So this is the actual light. I did get the blue one. It is a new color that just came out. I am just now getting it. They are pretty pricey, so that is why I'm just now getting it. But it is, from what I hear, it is worth it. But I will be trying it out and you will see in my next video. But one thing I do like about this is that it does have the lights on the side. And I heard it cures the thumbs very well. Like my last lamp, I had issues with that. And this is the power button, on and off. And these are the 15, 30, 60 second buttons, and also the 90 second. It's like a low heat mode. And then it comes with the warranty card. And of course the user manual, which shows you how to connect everything and how to do everything. And put the plugs in and everything. And it does come with the removable plate that you can put on or take it off, which is good. Like if you do pedicures, I do my own pedicure, so I know I'm going to enjoy this and I'm going to love it, because my last lamp, I would be like bumping my toe, messing up the polish. It was just a struggle. So I'm sure I will enjoy this a lot. And this box here is the charger. The charger does come with two pieces. You just connect them together and you plug it in the wall, and of course plug it into the lamp. One thing I am going to enjoy about this lamp is that it is rechargeable, so I don't have to be using the cord while I'm using the lamp. I can just charge it overnight, so when my clients come the next day, it'll be charged up. Don't have to plug it into the wall. I hate cords. So the fact that it is rechargeable is perfect for me. So I'm in love already. And I haven't even had a chance to use it, but I mean, the reviews have been good, so. And here is the battery part. The battery is supposed to be removable. And I have seen that you can also buy like an extra battery. I was struggling because I was trying to take the battery out. Like, how does this come out? But I couldn't take it out, so I was in a struggle for a minute on here. But bear with me. After a minute, I left it alone. I was like, okay, I'm over it. I don't even know why I was trying to take it out anyway. So I just put the back on. I guess I was just curious. So I'm sorry, I have like an itchy throat, so I have to like keep clearing my voice. No, I am not sick. No, I do not have COVID. You can't even clear your throat nowadays without people thinking you got coronavirus. So I had to say that. But yeah, so the piece that goes on the bottom is like pretty easy to put on. You just like slide it on or slide it off. Most of the time, I'm sure you just slide it on when you're going to be doing hands, and then if you're doing feet, if you chose to slide it off, which I'm sure people that do pedicures or are going to use it for pedicures would prefer to just slide it on off. But yes, this is the lamp, and I cannot wait to use it. Watch my next video that I'm going to post, and I will be using it in that video. So subscribe to my channel so you guys can watch all my upcoming videos that I will be posting. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I am so excited to use this lamp. I'm like jumping up, I'm like a big kid, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm just gonna finish the video. We'll let you guys finish the video. And everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Just taking a plug out, gonna plug it in just to see how it works, how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys finish the video. Thank you guys for watching again. You can comment any comments you like. Subscribe, please. Thank you.